In this quick video, I will show you how to download transcript from YouTube video. For that we can simply use any video from YouTube. I will simply choose this video. After that simply go to the description of the video. Now you can simply click on the description, then scroll down. Here you will see is an option called show transcript. Click on it and then you can see the transcription of the video will be shown here. After that we can simply use this timestamp to go to the point of the video, or we can simply disable this timestamp by simply clicking on these three dots, then click on toggle timestamps and you can see all the timestamps has been gone. After that simply go down to the last transcript and then we can simply hold our mouse left click and then simply we can drag on the transcript and you can see we can simply go to the top, release the mouse and simply press Ctrl C on your keyboard, or you can simply right click and copy it from your mouse. After that we can simply paste it on the notepad. So this is how you can copy transcript from YouTube video. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.